This is white color. Wow, nice. This is a rooster.
Let's go, little ones.
Nice.
This way. Follow me.
This is pink color. Wow, nice. This is a horse. Oh, nice. Beautiful. This is red color. Wow, beautiful. This is a crocodile. Wow, beautiful. This is green color. Wow, so beautiful. This is a dog. Wow, beautiful. This is red color. This is a sheep.
Let's play, everyone! Yay, let's go! This way, follow me.
This is yellow color. Beautiful. This is a tiger. Wow,
Ready for some
beautiful.
fun, little ones?
Yes, let's play!
That's the spirit! Follow me.
This is pink color. This is a elephant.
Do your ears hang low? Do they wobble to and fro? Can you tie them in a knot? Can you throw them or you...
Please subscribe my channel and like